Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you want me to do next. So today on my channel we have a different type of video. Today I'm going to be doing a how to make Clorox wipes video because Clorox wipes are really needed during this time because there's a lot of bacteria going around. And also, like, Clorox wipes are not in stores because people are buying them up. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your own Clorox wipes. So let's go. Okay, so for this you will need a bowl or an empty Clorox wipe container to store it in. Make sure you have a top for the bowl so you can store them without them drying out. You will need 1 cup of water, a little bit of bleach, some dish soap, paper towels, measuring spoons, a spoon to mix it with, and some essential oil. I am using lemon, but you can use any of your choice, maybe like lavender or something like that. So to start off this recipe to make your Clorox wipes, you will need to pour your water into the bowl, and now you're going to take your measuring spoons. You're going to put in 2 tablespoons of bleach. Now you will add in 3 pumps of dish soap, and 6 drops of your essential oil. Now you're going to mix this. You want to mix it thoroughly so that it's all combined. Next, you are going to take some paper towels and just take some off. Now you're going to fold them like this, in kind of like a zigzag shape pattern. So like back and forth. It's kind of like if you're folding a paper fan. You just want to repeat this until all your paper towels are folded. Now I am going to go cut these and I will be right back. Okay, now that I have my paper towels cut, the next step you're going to do is you're going to put them into your solution and soak them. So let those soak. And my mom here has already made some, and she put them in an old Clorox wipe container. And yeah, so now all you need to do is store these. Put a lid over them or some plastic wrap and you will be good. Now if you want to, you can put more paper towels in. I think I will put more paper towels in. And if you want to make more Clorox wipes, just add 2 cups of water, 4 tablespoons of bleach, 6 pumps of dish soap, and then 12 drops of essential oil. Okay guys, so I just wanted to show you real quick that these wipes work. So let me just wipe something. See, it's getting the dirt off really well. Okay guys, that's it for the video. I really hope you enjoyed, and the reason I am posting on a Sunday is because tomorrow on Monday, when I will usually post, is like when they are doing some construction or something in our neighborhood, so the power lines and like the internet cables will be turned off for at least 2 days. So that's why I'm posting on a Sunday, but don't worry, I will post on a Friday, so you will see me then. And yeah. Sorry the video is so short, but thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you want me to do next, like how to make hand sanitizer, or how to make maybe like Lysol spray, or like a no-sew or a sew, like surgical mask to put over your face. Well, thank you guys for watching. Bye!